Hello? Yes, I know it's been a while. Hold on a minute. I think it would be better if I went through something. Rounding out what I'm saying. Oh, actually, this is better. Okay, so I know it's been like weeks since I made a video. Just had a big motivation drop, I guess. I just wasn't motivated to do anything. I had other things I wanted to do. However, now I got a bit of motivation, so I decided to make another one. I got new mods. I got more mods. Most notable, when I remove some other mods that I won't need for this video, then I'll be back in a quick second. Okay, so I'm back now. I'm gonna get in to a thing, and I'll explain. Oh yeah, there's new weapon stuff. Alright, I'm gonna get in and show you, or explain. This new mod, you may see the thing at the top, I might zoom in on it. This is called the Destructible mod. It's the survival system. Oh crap, I forgot to do something. I'll be right back. Okay, actually back now. I brought back an absolute emergency. This isn't. But there's a wave survival system at the top. See a little timer. Don't worry, that timer's just how long I spend. When I die, robots stop spawning. Or the wave survival system. But basically, the robot that appears when you shoot them or blow up. And also, the more robots you kill, the more the wave progresses. What the heck? That shouldn't be there. Oh crap. There's another mod also called Exploding Vehicles, and I think that... I don't know what's going on. They also did revamp their... They're new robots? They're new robots? Oh, jump to the river. They're a new robot? Well, that's cool. I didn't know about that. Updated, and I didn't realize I haven't been on Teardown for a bit because I was doing other things. So yeah, I'm just doing random crap. I'm gonna try and make the video not like an hour long. Oh, you're really strong. Okay, so I gotta get you from like the side. Hurt me or something? Oh, I just need you to. No. So now you're just a problem. Why are you so low? That's concerning. Isn't that a fire hazard? Oh, crap. But yeah, I had a bit of a motivation dip. And I wasn't on for a bit, but now I'm back. I might change my about thing. I probably am going to change my about thing to I am on whenever I... I didn't know I could hack this robot. Hold on. I haven't been on Teardown for a while, so I don't... No, this is called the Destructible Robots mod that I played. How do you hack this thing? What's it gonna do? Will it fight for you or something? Or is it just gonna explode in a giant fireball? But there is also a mod called Destructible Vehicles. Or no, Explosive Vehicles. I think. I don't remember. But basically, how it's supposed to go is that when a vehicle gets destroyed, you can also customize it, so my settings would probably be different from yours. Also, I got something called the Bay Bomb and Cinematic Bomb. I might use those for the absolute last one. Oh, jeez. No, get off it. For anyone... Precautionary purposes. Oh, I also got a mod called the Plank Plus. I have no idea how I changed it to concrete. It's concrete, but basically also it's infinite. It goes on infinitely. I have no idea how I changed it from plank material to concrete. Oh, yep. So in about a bit of time, I'm gonna scram because I know the explosion is big, so I made it that way. But it's gonna explode in a giant fireball. Oh god. Ah! As you can see, a giant fireball. What happened here? Okay, I did not do this. Oh yeah, Teardown did a nice thing where they upgrade the maps and such. And like, look, they added a bunch of stuff on top of the roofs, another decor. It's cool, and they changed the bridge too. They're in the other mods, they also did something. Oh, they broke the fire hydrant. Yeah, they're helicopters as well. They're the most annoying thing ever. Oh, crap. Fight me! Actually, please don't. No. Yeah, I aim for the propels. And crunch. Okay. Wait, there's supposed to be 2. Or was there? I don't remember. I haven't played in a while. Oh no, laser robot, go away. You can actually use some of the robot's weapons, like the laser robot's weapons. You can actually use it. Also the rocket launcher one, but I advise not to use the rocket launcher one unless you completely know what you're doing, because it makes a giant explosion. How the heck do you hack them? Can I hack you? Oh, I can't. I just gotta know what happened. Oh, crap. Okay, I got it. Scram, I'm gonna die. I just died. Okay. So you can see all the mods there. Well, not all of them. It says 6 more. I didn't disable all the mods. Because I'm very all about the just in case. No. Okay. Wait a minute. Ow! Oh, that was a terrible idea. That was an absolutely terrible idea. Die. Oh, please die. Now, also, I don't know how long that I'm gonna be recording. I'm gonna try and keep it to, like, 30-ish minutes. However, I guess as long as that, in that time frame, I end up... that's not satisfying at all. Break the window. Break the stupid... There you go. Oh, that's a lot of fire. No, don't use that unless necessary. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try and have the... Just weird, my fire mods update or something. Because they look different. Probably. No, you're not dead. How? Okay, there you go. It took you a while to die. How do I hack you? What do you do when you're hacked? Oh. Are you gonna kill yourself or something? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm super confused. You're like some barricade thing. I can just hop over you. Ow! What was that? Why did you blow up? Okay, so apparently it seems like they attacked you. I don't think the flame robots are gonna be able to help me. I can't reach you. Get down here. Ah, no. I can't get you down here. I'm gonna get to a bridge before it's too late. This is gonna take... Ah! Hack. Stop shooting! Oh yeah, they do fight for you in hacks. Give me the bridge! Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, also the fire. I just see that. They don't throw any of that, it's just a cool effect. Okay, now I got problems. Isn't there a laser robot over there? No, that's not. I'm just being dumb. This thing run on gasoline or something? Look at this. Smoke coming out of it. What in the world? It seems just a giant wall buster. It's like the Kool-Aid Man. Except I don't remember the Kool-Aid Man wanting to kill people. Also, this guy doesn't seem to have any Kool-Aid on him, so I don't think he's gonna be useful in terms of Kool-Aiding. What is wrong? Ew, that didn't do much at all. Oh, I know there's a robot down there. Yeah, they also that's just the robots do have an outline. Oh great, now the building's gonna burn down. Oh crap. Ah! Stop it. Stop trying to burn down the building. Level 4. Okay, those are... Oh, and also, more robots spawn each wave. Infinite amount of waves. Legs. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, and also you can only use, like, explosives or, like, guns that the game accepts. Luckily, I got a beefy computer. How did you get up here? How? So, I don't know what's going on. Oh, yeah. How are you? I'm not sure how you're gonna fight me, but I kinda just wanna see what happens. No, stop it. Stop spinning around. Okay. Why would you want to release them? Why is that an option? It should be an option. A real dumb option. Wait, is my other robot still fighting me? No, I don't know. Can you hack the helicopters? Probably not. I'm also not gonna be able. Also, I probably wouldn't be able to in the first place. Because how am I gonna get them there? Go away! Why are they all attacking me in the first place? What did I do? Oh! They must have trampled that other car down there. Oh no, the bottom floor is gonna be on fire. Is it? Oh, yeah, it is. I think I see, like, other... Yeah, it's on fire. Very eventful. How'd you not see me shooting at... Oh! I hope my face isn't too close to the microphone. However, I can't tell. I won't be able to tell until editing. Which you obviously know. The viewer. Whatever it's called. Viewer? I don't know. No. Entering level 7. Oh no, those are the... Ah! Oh yeah, those are the rocket robots, by the way. I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to get close enough. Well, I could sit on top of you. Stop. I could use those, but I'm scared to because they're absolutely disastrous. Like, they cause so much damage. Well, at least I'm not paying for the damage. Oh, crap. Climb up the rubble of the stairs. Oh, I thought I turned my fly mod off. I just instinctively pressed V. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna use the fly mod sparingly for obvious reasons. Because that's cheating, and that won't be fun in the end, right? I'm pretty sure you guys want to see me dealing with absolute ridiculousness. I don't know. Absolute madness. Don't destroy my favorite car. Just die. Why did it take that guy so long to die? It's Teardown after all. I can do what I want in this. I accidentally destroyed it on the ceiling. Oh well. It's like a thistle effect or something. Or some... I don't know. It's too quiet. I don't like that. How are you alive? Okay. Did he fall off a roof? This guy fell off a roof. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay, this guy's gonna fight me. Oh crap. This isn't gonna end well. The fact that this rocket bot fights me, whoever he's called, I don't know, rocket robot thing. What are you doing now that I hacked you? You fight me? Oh, you totally do! That's why they were just shooting at him. Yeah, I got a big friend guy. Wait, will they also shoot at helicopters? I'm gonna just have, like, a separatist army thing. How? I feel like the robots live a little longer than they should, because once you destroy their, or, you know, damage their head, they're supposed to die. Where is it? Where's the helicopter? Oh, no, it's above me. I didn't see it. I don't really get the early shots. Oh, no. Don't destroy the floor from underneath. Don't destroy the floor from underneath. Oh, okay. Someone see me. No. How did you see me? The last guy was basically blind. Ah! I can't reach you, so I can't attack you. No, I don't want to fall. That's a very bad spot. I'm saying I'm using it sparingly. This is sparingly. Oh, it's just in time. Oh, crap. I set the floor on fire, I think. Oh, no. Okay, so you're my friend now. You fight for me? Oh, no. Oh, this is a lamp. Oh, yep, there's a fire. I can hear it. You hear a little crinkling and crackling? Oh, no. Oh, crap, it's on me. Ah! What are you doing? What is my robot doing? He's just sitting around. Being a lazy git. Oh, God. What am I supposed to do about you? Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah, I forgot they crashed. They crashed through the buildings, the ceiling. Okay, so now it's down there. Die. There we go. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, yeah, I forgot on this one, there's multiple. No, die. Die. How are you flying around? No. Cheater. No, I'm not dropping a bait bomb. I'm way too close. What are you doing? Where did you see me? Or did you? Okay, there's a reason I got the physics gun. This is that reason. I'm sorry, but I want you out there. Come on, fight all the other bad guys. Fight all the other bad. What is going on out there? I don't know what's going on. How am I supposed to know who's friend and who's not? Is my robot down there just absolutely tearing? Oh yeah, that's scaring out my... Oh! What was that? Oh, I think it was... Oh! That was my favorite car! The little sedan thing. Oh. Oh, there's a robot was stepping on it. Oh, it was you. Ah, I see. Let's get to this wall if I can... If there's a floor for me to actually land on. There is no floor for me to land on. How am I... No. No. Ah! Stop. No. But actually, I can use you. Get over here. Stop. Okay, I need you down on the ground. No, I said down on the ground. Okay. Bye. Have a good time. You broke the floor. Speaking of floor, and breaking the floor, I think the fire is now traveling up the stairs. Not the stairs. Somehow up the wall. I don't know. No, I got the floor down here. There's that giant building over here. Could use that. So this place is getting to be a little, Did you die? I can't tell if you're my friend or not. I have absolutely no idea whether you're my friend or not. Wait, there's one way to know. Oh, you're not my friend. You're not my friend. Here's a test. I only wanted to know if you would make the noise. What the heck is going on? Hello? What are you doing? Hiding in the tree. You know, there are all those guys over here. You know, I think this isn't a last resort. This is just, oh god, this is gonna be really bad. There are all these robots clustered over there. I don't know how to zoom in. I'm holding for a thumbnail, by the way. mouse is all. You gonna do anything or what? Hello? Hello? I've tried for 10 minutes. They're gonna go off. Oh! Okay. Oh, I got 4 shots. Or 5 technically total, but I used 1. So yeah, it should be a last resort. They're all just dead. Oh, it's just a bunch of like a little rubble. What in the world's going on? Oh, there was that guy. What the heck happened down there? Or that. What is going on? There's a battle between. I gotta get down and out of here because this is madness. Oh yeah, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh, get in the building, get inside. Oh crap. Oh! Remember at the beginning of the video where I said, like, you know, the whole video is gonna be like a lot of action? I don't know why the robots are great before. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of action and such. This is why I was saying that. How do I shoot you? I'm trying to get to you. Oh wait, I need to prevent him from getting up the stairs. Get down the stairs! Okay. Can you still get up the stairs? You definitely can. Oh no, we got a Houston. We have a problem. Oh, that's a lot of helicopters. Like 5 over me, I think, versus 4. I don't know, I didn't count. I can't count it. I can't do them all, but I know there's a lot. I hear, okay, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. It's a lot. Oh, by the way, the helicopters, there's a group of them spawns every 5 waves. And this is wave 15, so I'm gonna get mad. Get off the building. My hotel, I think. Ooh! I almost broke him. Aim for the tail. Oh, rusty, because I haven't done this in a while. Die, 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 die. How do you see me from in here? From out there, I don't know. Ah! There's stuff flying here. You see me yet? Why are you moving away? Come on. Ah! Oh, geez, stop it. Stop, 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 stop. No, 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 no. Ow. Stop. Ooh! Shoot him. Come on, break. Just. No, come on. You're about to break. Give up. Ooh, jeez. How'd you see me? I don't know. Ah. I think I might resort to rocket launcher. You're firing rocks to me, I'll fire rocks to you. I missed. How far did I fall? I'm gonna go full rocket launcher. Did I miss? I missed, didn't I? I missed. Oh, there's a fire. Of course there's a fire. There's always a fire. Write down notes. It's not what you're supposed to do. Ah! Oh, the fire's spreading. You know, there's all those movies where like put like a bunch of flammable objects that block the door from the fire. Fire, you know, fire burns those things, right? I'm running out of places to just, you know, shoot from and hide and stuff. Ow! Just die! Yes, I got one. Oh, and now it's gonna come careening. Frenchie, where are you? Get up here. No, not up here. Stay up there. No! Go away! Rocket launcher. Go. Back! You can blow them apart when you're able to. Ow. Okay, I made it to my partially safe room. You safe forever? You safe for now. Oh my god, there's nowhere to hide. This whole building's gonna burn to the ground. Okay, this is awful. Get out. Oh, the floor's already on fire. That's pointless. Yeah, you can't destroy that. I can get out. Oh, am I literally stuck in this building? Oh, there's a non-flammable spot here. On a lower floor of the building, it's like they're like if the helicopter sees you, there's gonna be a shower of like debris of all shoots you. So all their bullets are gonna hit that, so you're mildly safe for the time being. Falling to the floor. Die! Yes, I got another. Just one more, guys. One has like one more shot on the tail. We'll knock it out of the sky. Die! Oh my god, just died! Oh my god, you finally died! Thank you! Took forever to do that. Oh yeah, at a point it's kind of an issue. The robots are kind of an issue because it's so laggy. Like it's... Oh, okay! In the window! Yeah! I didn't expect 3 of these guys to spontaneously just spawn. Oh, balls. Why are you alive? No, stop. Die. Thank you. I don't know how you're still working or why you seem to run out of gas. Yay. I wonder where the giant spider robot is. It's like, it's level 19. They're supposed to spawn. There's like a giant spider robot supposed to spawn around like level 6 or 7. I don't know how long I've been recording for now. The timer says 14 minutes and 53 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the game's slower, so I guess the timer is a little... Why are you on fire? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I gotta scram. I know what's on fire. It's a car. Is it gonna blow up yet? I'm scared. I don't want to move over there. Wow! I know the explosion's a little large, but it's fun. How are you alive? Just die. You're gonna explode, like, just if I scrape you a bit. Why is the wheel indestructible? Oh, okay. Oh, the explosion shouldn't affect me. I'm gonna hide before it explodes my face. Another vehicle explosion. Oh, I got this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm in a window. Okay. I don't want to die now. Oh, it barely made it through. Stop it. Go away. Yeah, sometimes they don't all spawn in at once like they're supposed to. Stop doing that. Putting out fire by shooting it. Also, they shoot rockets, by the way. You're not supposed to be that close. I'm booking it to the nearest building. Look, they have the advantage. There's tons of them. They just spawn and die. Okay. Into the building. Probably on fire. Is it on fire? Oh, that's really surprising. Surprised that it's not on fire. It's not engulfed in flames. The building across from it, though, is. Is it? Oh, yeah, it is. I see light. I see light like fire. Ow! A hole in the floor. Die. Die. Oh, there we go. Oh, now it's gonna come crashing. Wait. Ah! Ah! He just punted the robot through the floor, through the ceiling, and then down the floor. Watched this poor guy just got punted. Oh no, die. Just die. Rocket launcher, go! Oh! Easiest helicopter fight. That's getting out of hand. There, kid. Why are you on fire? Ah! I don't know where all the robots are. They're kind of just around. I'm not gonna nuke a building. That's a terrible idea. Get. Ah. Okay. Where'd all the robots go? I'm gonna hop back into that burning building and see if I can find all the robots where they all went. They're probably still in front of the hotel. Oh god, there's so many. Oh my god. Oh yeah, there's too much fire. I have more Davy Crockett's. Not sure where I found them. You know, this is a very dumb idea. I wanna just. Oh, I killed so many. I'm gonna end the video soon because this is getting too long. Also, it's really laggy right now. Oh, it's really laggy. I'm just gonna fly around. I'm gonna fly to survey the damage. Oh yeah, it does create a mushroom cloud. What happened? I can't see. Oh man, this helicopter took out the sign there on top here. Can I see? Okay. What was that? Okay. What? How? What happened to you? I don't think the Davy Crockett goes around that far. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end the video now, because first off, it's getting really laggy, and also, I think it's going on for too long. I don't know. But, I have no idea when my next upload will be. Just expect it might be like a week, or 2 weeks. I don't know. But, I hope you enjoyed the video. I guess if you liked it, you liked it. Okay. I'll probably do more Teardown. Well, I might. Like, the last video I got 45 views. I know in the grand scheme it's not a lot, but for me it kind of is. But you'll see me in the next video. Goodbye.